Hello and welcome you all to our Palo Alto call. And my name is Ivan and Malika is helping me out here as well. And we're going to be hosting today's meeting under the new name Palo Alto. So yeah, we have one project to pitch. And before that, let me actually share you the screen and show you the main page of Palo Alto project. So you can see what's going on right here. I think you can see the screen right now. So yeah, that's just, the basics, the very first steps of the project, but it's underway, it's going on, and really glad to present this new idea. And actually, after the call, we're gonna send to you on the chat all the links. You can see the form that you can fill in and participate in the project in various ways. So yeah, enough the chatter. So we're gonna stop sharing the screen, and we have, as I said before, one project for today. This is Spatial Port, and the CEO Alex Bellesia is going to be presenting you the pitch deck. So let's hear him out. And by the way, you can actually send all your questions in the chat, in the Zoom chat, or after the speaker's speech, you can, send it out loud what you want to say. But basically, all the questions that will be put in the chat, we will read as well. So yeah, that's basically it. I have nothing to add. So Malika, are we ready?
I think we are.
Thank you, Ivan, for the great introduction, and thank you everyone for having me here. It's a pleasure to be presenting Spatial Port, and I can't wait. I'd love to give you a brief intro about myself and my background before I'll dive into our amazing project. So a little bit about myself. I started back in 2014 to work with augmented reality and the Google glasses. Back at the time, that was the very first AR hardware trying to hit the mass market, but it didn't go well. However, I fell in love with the technology, and since then I started working on VR and AR projects. I joined a VR and AR studio based in Palo Alto, and I've been lucky enough to create projects of the like for Estée Lauder, PwC, NATO, and many other big, let's say, deployments. However, the pandemic hit, and I saw an exponential shift in the market. Not anymore large multinational companies were interested in creating immersive 3D projects, but also small and medium retailers, entrepreneurs that wanted to differentiate themselves from the market and were looking for immersive solutions. However, the price tag was too high, and they were not able to buy products. That's when both I and my co-founder Scott Packard, who also live close to Palo Alto, lives in Sacramento, we decided let's create something that would allow anyone to build 3D immersive store. It's what I call the Shopify for 3D virtual stores. So I'm gonna go ahead and share the screen and start the pitch. All right, so screen share.
Yeah, we've got the picture.
And so just to give you a brief intro of the pitch. So I will be having a pitch of the project that will last around 3-4 minutes. And then I will show you a live demo of the product. And this will last around 7-8 minutes, more or less. So we'll be building together a store and see how it looks like. So awesome. Hi, everyone. As I told you before, my name is Alex Bellesia, and I'm the CEO of Spatial Port, a San Francisco-based startup revolutionizing immersive commerce. Imagine a world where online shopping is not just about clicking and buying, but it's an immersive and fun experience that you can build as easily as setting up an e-commerce on Shopify. Welcome to Spatial Port. Online retail has remained the same for the last 2 decades. Almost 95% of websites have similar designs, high returns, and low conversion rates. On top of this, consumers are expecting immersive, gamified, and social shopping experiences. But today, creating a 3D store demands between 30 and 100K minimum and months of development. And this is where our product comes into play. The Shopify for 3D virtual stores, an intuitive, affordable solution that empowers everyone to set up a 3D store and share it anywhere in minutes. Spatial Port shopping experience is what I believe is the natural evolution of online commerce. It's not just about viewing products, but it's about trying them on through augmented reality, walking through branded 3D stores with physical and digital products. A shopping experience like never before. But now let's look at the booming market of the immersive commerce. Sales are growing from 1 billion in 2022 to an estimated 7.1 billion by 2030. And given this significant market momentum, we are on the right track to become a key player in the immersive commerce ecosystem. Our business model is simple, scalable, and robust. We monetize by monthly annual subscription and on custom projects to build bespoke environments and 3D products of the assets of our clients. We're driven by an incredible team with decades of experience across AR, VR, gaming, media, and retail. And now we are ready to revolutionize online shopping. We are currently still pre-revenue, but our platform has already attracted industry-leading investors and brands. They see the future we're building, and we welcome you to join our future too. We are currently looking to raise a 1 million at the $5 million valuation. The funds will be used to go to market and expand our platform compatibility across browsers. So now I ask you to envision a future where every online business, big or small, can afford and easily set up their own immersive 3D store. Join us to make this future a reality. So guys, if you have any questions, I'd love to answer. In the meantime, I will load the demo, if that's fine with you. Okay, I guess I can go ahead and show you a demo. So this is our interface to build 3D stores. So please pardon us for the design is not polished yet, but still the platform does its own work. We're now working on the user interface. So the way it works is really, really simple. So anyone is supposed to be able to use our platform. So the way you can build a 3D store if you own an e-commerce is by clicking on add a store, okay? So then we can give it a name, for example, Platinum, there we go. Then you can select a district. So our 3D stores are accessible from WebGL, but at the same time, they populate our app that basically includes all the stores that were created through our configurator. So now we just choose this as an example. Then you can select the interior design of your store. So let's go with this. We have it for 3D products, fashion products, sport products, and different type of templates. Then we can add a main video to the environment. So right now we are working with Farfetch to build some environments. So I will use this as a sample, and then also a building type. So the exterior design of the store. Say we choose this one. So then we can click on add, and we created a store. Now we need to add products. So to add product, we simply go in the section of the product. We start giving it a code, then a title like t-shirt, sample, description. We give it a fake description for now, just to be quick. We give it a price. There we go. And then from here, you can add the link in which you can buy the t-shirt. And if the client has also an AR try-on link to let the user try the product before they buy. Now we can upload an asset I have now a t-shirt here as a sample, and the anchor point is basically where the product will be appearing into the environment. Okay, so say we choose the number 2 and we click on add. So now the store is built. So this is a way to preview the stores, so our clients can already understand how the store looks like and if everything is in place. What you see here is our open air shopping mall, and please know that the quality and the smoothness of the environment is much higher on the phone. Just to give you a comparison, the current metaverse that looks better on mobile is Spatial, and we are better than that. So the way you access the stores that you build is simply via the menu. You can click on My Stores, and now we can go on Platinum Store. So as you can see here, we were able to build a store literally in minutes instead of months. Now, I see that the connection is super slow on the phone, but yeah, let's go in to show you the end result. It's gonna be a bit slow, but I can share a video after the call how it really looks like in real time. Right. So here is the environment with the music. Now it's coming slowly, but it's coming. So that's the video that we uploaded, and then we also have the t-shirts that we uploaded together here, and you can actually interact with it. So you have the t-shirt that you uploaded, and then you can also inspect the t-shirt and see the details. Of course, from the augmented reality, you can wear the product, and in fact I'd love to show you how is the full e-commerce experience when you have the augmented reality connected to a 3D product, say a shoe. Okay. So this is a template of a store that you can select from our configurator. Right, you got videos, you got space to add images, as well as so now this is a shoe, for example, that you can interact. You can see it in 3D, and then if you click on augmented reality, then you activate the camera, and you can start wearing your shoes. Then when you're done to try the product, then you can go back and hit on buy, and you're redirected to the buy page of the product. So yeah, I guess this is it in a nutshell. It was a real pleasure to show you a live demo of our product. If you have any questions, I'm more than happy to answer.
Yes, thank you so much, Alex. Yeah, it is. Thank you for your pitch, and it is a very nice app. It was entertaining, the demo. Thank you for that. Yeah, anyone questions? You can raise your hand or just speak out.
Hey guys.
What?
Me? Okay, so I have a question to the representative, right? About exactly how did it work at the end. So after I can check how that look like. On me, you like Spatial did the same, let's say, about the Nike, and how it looks on on me. Why exactly redirection to the shopping page without the cart itself on the screen of the product? And what if I want to use several products? Should I go to the different websites to make a purchase?
So the way we're starting is to say offer a flexible product that connects instantly to our clients' websites, but we can definitely connect to APIs of the most famous CMSs that are out there, say Shopify, Magento, and all the others. So this is just for demo purposes, let's say.
Oh, so okay, then you will have everything in the same picture, right? In the same cart, and you can choose. Correct. And after that, so you will provide the all. What about the next step? So how will it works? So and who will manage and how exactly the further steps about the connection between all these APIs. And so the different companies will provide me with the product, or will you also manage the process inside of logistics?
Yes, so we manage the creation of the 3D assets of our clients. So we create if they don't have already, the 3D object, and we populate the environment. Then every client may have different CMSs to manage their website. So if they have a Shopify, for example, we can easily integrate as well as the others, but we must have access to their APIs. So there is a little bit of work, but once we activate that, all the inventory, the descriptions of the product and titles are all aligned with their website.
Mm-hmm. And one more question about the augmented reality development itself, exactly about all the stuff that you can bring to your page, right, with the different product deliveries. So I want to understand how will it work exactly while each of this 3D should create it, as I understand, manually, and as I have some experience in that. So, and how will you care of that? So there's like tons of 3D pictures, right? And these graphics, and it's a huge ton of work. And I used to collaborate with the company who asked about payments for each of those pictures. So how will you manage all of it?
So tell me if I understood correctly your question. So your question is about the way we're going to manage the creation of the assets for our client.
Yeah, sure, exactly. And one more about the payment itself. So it's not cheap and manual work. So I want to understand who will pay in the end of all of this.
Okay, so as per the creation of the assets, we are able to create the asset through a semi-automated process where there is a scan of the object and then a small portion of manual work where you need to refine it, but it's working very well and very fast. And then as per the payments, the payment system, same as per the card system and the CMS, we can connect to the APIs of our clients. We don't want to be intermediary of the purchase, but rather leave it on the client's system.
Should not client, but exactly the item providers, should they pay you anything for creating all these 3D?
So we are paid by, for example, when you mean provider, what do you mean exactly?
I mean exactly about the seller itself.
Okay, so yes, what we ask is a fee for every product that is created in 3D, and then we ask for a maintenance fee to keep the store online and accessible.
So just last question. Okay, so and I will not burden you anymore with all my other.
That's all right.
Yeah, about this fee. So if I understand it correctly, so you will have something from each sold item, or it means that you will bill the seller for each item that you need to create that 3D for that, and that's your business model.
So our current business model, and this could change down the road because this is the way we're starting, is that we charge for each product that we build per year. So now we're targeting the, I'll give you an example, the shoe market. So for every shoe, the cost per year for the first year is $300. And so we create the 3D asset and we put it on the store. And for the smallest store that we offer is $50 per month to keep it online. So this is the current business model. The future business model that we are aiming to is to somehow track the every purchase that is made, and so to ask also a little percentage of success fee for every conversion that happens on the website. But this will be applied more down the road.
Okay. Alex, thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you, Oleg. It's a pleasure.
Thanks, Oleg.
Hello, Alex. Hello, team. Just a little question about the marketing side, let's say. So, Alex, do you plan to attract customers to your places, or you're expecting these companies like Farfetch or Nike to bring the customers to this ecosystem, to these environments?
Awesome question, Valentin. We have a strategy that looks like this. So as first step, we want to convert clients to build the 3D store that lives on their website. So this is a brand's play, so it's not our play. We just provide the technology, so it's their environment. Then when we'll have the first 5 to 10 stores built, then we can populate our platform. So in that case, our platform will be marketed by us, and we will, gradually start bringing users that are interested in immersive shopping into our platform, because that's where, let's say, you can find all the different brands that have available an immersive 3D store.
Yeah, thank you for your answer.
Thanks, Valentin. Yeah, Mati.
Hey, that's pretty cool. I wanted to ask you about like shared experiences. Are people able to walk in together? And then I wanted to put you on the spot. Are you able to do the same thing that you did with the shoes with a shirt, for example?
So for the augmented reality try-on, as of now, it's available with a different, let's say, approach, because the way you superimpose a t-shirt is not live, but rather is through artificial intelligence, that when you upload a picture, it can substitute what you're wearing with a t-shirt. The final quality is higher, in my opinion, but it's not like live as what I shown to you. And then as per the shared experiences, now we're starting with a single user experience, and we'll be integrating a multi-user experience by the end of 2024. If any client is willing to include also a multi-user experience within the solution, we can do that.
Very cool. Thanks. I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you, Mati.
Thanks, Mati.
Thanks, Alex, for your amazing pitch. It was really a pleasure. Really wish you best of luck. So yeah, you can see Palo Alto invitation form first. You can fill it in and wait for the confirmation, and people will reach out to you. And then Palo Alto channel, where you can subscribe to and wait for announcements. All the info will be there. So yeah, that's basically it. Malika, if you have nothing to add, I think we can conclude our today's meeting, right? So yeah, thanks for tuning, for staying here for this yet another call. And I think we can see you next week, right?
Thank you so much, everyone. Have a great week.